What's up, people? It's another beautiful day, and with boat life, you gotta get to work on the beautiful days. Before it get too hot, I want to get this dinghy in the water. Still need some more glue on the inside, but I think it'll float. I'm gonna try it because you can't keep putting it off. Just gotta see if it floats. If it don't float, then I don't know. Gotta do something else. I'm hoping it floats. I want to test the motor and, move on to the next project. This morning, while I was flipping the dinghy over, I was just standing right here on the foredeck, the cabin top of the sailboat. I was like, man, I miss having this little space. Used to do my morning stretches right here. Yeah, man, getting this boat back to where it needs to be, how it used to be. Usually that spot right in the middle is already taking water, so it is not. Let's check the back when I get in there. I might get in there. All right, guys, I'm in here. It's not done on the inside. Still got some gaps to fill, but there's no water getting in here. But I will still fill that up. See, this needs to get glued. But we got no water in here, man. Oh, I see a little water. Oh God. Oh God, we got water coming in crazy. Fuck. Just took a second, I guess. Damn it. All on this side. Yeah, the sides need to get glued. That was obvious. Yeah, sides need to get glued, but for the most part, looking good. This was the main concern. This is where the fiberglass was. Fucking hell. So yeah, right in here, where that's all. Kablam. All right, it's in there. have a bunch of water, but I'm not too concerned about it. Got the new motor on the leaky dinghy. Most of the water's coming from this side over here. So pull it out and glue the inside. But for the most part, we are floating. And that's what you need. You need the float. All right, let's start this thing up, man. See what it could do. We got it running though. Taking on a great deal of water, but it is running. Do you think it'll get up on plane? The leaky dinghy lives again, full of water, but we are floating. More repairs to come. My dinghy! Quick repair, maybe a day or two. I'll put it up here. I know Wendy doesn't like me putting boats up here, but these boats gotta get fixed. Let's pull this thing up real quick. Gotta get my water out of the boat. The leaky dinghy is still the leaky dinghy. No need for a name change yet. But this new motor, it's like the dinghy's got a new heart. Last time I used this dinghy, I had a 2 horsepower 2-stroke. It literally looked like a weed whacker, but it got us where we needed to go. But now this 5 horsepower, I feel real confident in it, even in just this quick trip I did around the marina. Makes me feel real good. I'm excited. Because we got a lot of plans for the summer. Got some visitors coming. Got some trips we're taking. Need a reliable dinghy. That's the piece de resistance to a good off-grid trip. A good dinghy. Alright, that's enough. The rest of it will dry. I need to get more glue. So we'll do that today. I'm supposed to do laundry, get more glue, and yeah, man. Until next time. What's good, people? It's day, I don't know, of the dinghy repair. Might need the mic, I don't know. But yeah, yesterday, scraped all the old glue out the inside. Today, acetone white and re-glued the inside. Y'all saw last video, we had it up on the deck, and I did the bottom fiberglass and glue. Still leaks. This is the leaky dinghy, but need the leaks not to be so flagrant. I like this new motor though. It feels like I can get it up on plane. Get where you gotta go fast, you know? So, that's it for me, and we're gonna see you in a couple days. Might take it down the river down this way. Down that way. There's some exploring to do, you know? Alright, man. It's super hot, and I'm doing boat stuff. It's a mess this way. This is the bedroom. My autopilot is under the mattress, and the autopilot was installed with little concern to, you can't see shit. But yeah, the autopilot was installed with little concern to my sleep. So I built this frame to, like, you know, raise the bed up so it wouldn't interfere with the autopilot. Let's see if I can get under here. Can you see it? It's in there somewhere. There it is. So yeah, this frame raises the bed up about 2 inches,
because the autopilot sticks up about 1 inch from where the bed was originally.
I don't know. But I kind of got tired of the bed being over to the side, so I'm putting the bed back along the center. But it's taking a little construction, you see. Gotta rebuild this shit. So that's what I'm working on now. The dinghy is outside drying. I glued it up yesterday. I'll take you guys to see it once it's time to put it back in the water and see how it does. You know, it floats, but we want to reduce the leaks as much as possible. Hopefully eliminate. That's it, man. Just working in this heat. Good breezes coming through every now and then, and I got the fan on, so it's not unbearable. I mean, if I was in Florida, it'd be a lot worse. Man, back to work. Back to work! Now you can get a better look at the autopilot. You see how it's right under the bed, and they ended up cutting the floor of the bed so that it would stick up, and they installed this big metal frame so that it would be secure and whatnot. But yeah, man, just trying to get things comfortable in here, man. So I think this new bed position is going to, at least in my mind, make it a little more comfortable. Who knows? Sometimes you just like doing stuff just to do it. Bang. Should put the wide angle on, huh? So you can see it all.
I don't know how I got this in here. I guess I must have installed this beam before I put it down. Like maybe put the T together and then put it here, because there's a screw against this wall. So I don't know. I'm trying to get it apart. Cursing and banging and pulling haven't worked, so I broke out the handy dandy saw, and hopefully we can get it out of here. All right, people, the deed is done.
Got the new bed set, and the bed is in its new configuration. I like it. I think I might have to maybe cut that corner a little bit, but also, like, I don't know, it's whatever. It's a boat. It's not going to be a perfect square or rectangle, so I like it. Brightens up the dark boat a bit. Hey, it's me. I am in here. I wish I worked this camera better, man. Whew. It's hot. But yes, sir, I am in here. Kaboom. Look where we at. In the Tessie in Westfield.